Good evening everyone. Welcome to my channel, that is Maths with Sur. Today I am going to teach you the divisibility rule of 11. In my previous videos you can see that I have taught you the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. But today I am going to teach you the divisibility rule of 11. It's very important. You can see from this thumbnail. Divisibility rule of 11. We will say we are going to learn the divisibility rule of 11. Now, difference between the sum of the digits at odd places from the right and the sum of the digits at the even places from the right of the numbers. If the difference is, okay, this is like this, find. It says that find the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places from the right and the sum of the digits from the even places from the right of the numbers. If the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. For example, let us say some numbers. You see, if I do the table of 11, it is 11 into 1 is 11, 11 into 2 is 22, 11 into 3 is 33, 11 into 4 is 44, 11 into 5 is 55, 11 into 6 is 66, 11 into 7 is 77, 11 into 8 is 88, 11 into 9 is 99, 11 into 10 is going to be 110. 11 into 11 will be 121. 11 into 12 is going to be 132. 11 into 13 is going to be 143. 11 into 14 is going to be 154. Now you might be thinking how I remember that much table. So it's very easy. You just need to add these two numbers and write the middle part. So 1 plus 4 is 5. That I will teach you when we will learn the multiplication tables. So 1 plus 5 is how much? 6. So 1 plus 6 is how much? 7. 1 plus 7 is how much? 8. Then 11 into 18. So 1 plus 8 is how much? 9. 11 into 19 is. So now 1 plus 9 is 10. Now how to do that? So instead of that 10, you will put 0 and carry 1 over here. So it will become 1209. 209. Okay, let us say. So it will become 209. Then 11 into 20, it is going to be 220. Now let us check the difference between the alternate digits. So this is the ones, you can say this is the ones digit, this is the even digit, odd and even. So 1 minus 1 is 0. You can simply say here this is also 0. The difference between the digits is 0. Here also 1 plus 0 is 1 and this is 1. So 1 minus 1 again 0. Here also 0. Here it is 11. If you count here 9 plus 2 is 11 minus 0, it is 11. So this is the difference between the sum of the alternate digits. Now what do you mean by alternate? So if one digit is even, the other digit is odd, odd, even, odd, even. So those digits are known as alternate. Suppose you sit here and somebody is sitting besides you. Suppose somebody is sitting besides you and then there is one more person who is sitting beside this person. So we can say the middle part, the middle person is an adjacent. So these two are, we can say, adjacent. In fact, these two are also adjacent, but these two are known as alternate. You must understand what is alternate. So the difference between the sum of the alternate digits must be divisible by 11. Okay, for example, if I say very big number 2, 5, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6 and somebody asks you, is this number divisible by 11? So you have to take first odd numbers. Let us take odd numbers. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, 17 plus 2 is how much? 19. Now let us take even number. 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. So 19 minus 13 is how much? 6. That means this number is not divisible by 11. It has to come 11. So the question may arise like this. What digit should we change? Suppose this is 2, 5, 7, 3, 4, 5. And they will ask you, what digit should we change so that this number is divisible by 11? Instead of 6, what should we write? So you know that these digits forms 19. So the remainder is 6. What we need as a remainder? We need remainder as 0 or a multiple of 11. So this orange color digit, since it is 6 more, so if I replace this by 0, I reduce this number by 0, I am sure that this number is going to be divided by 11. Let us check it as well. So I will check in front of you, so that there is not an iota of doubt. I hope this is visible to you. Yes. So I am writing the number 2, 5, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6. So instead of 6, we have to write 0 now. Instead of 6, we have to write 0. And if I divide, if there is no decimal, that means this is the exact factor of 11. So you can check it. What is the number? 233950. That means this number is exactly divisible by 11. Okay, I hope that you understood this part. Now let us play with this. So if somebody asks you, I'm not going to replace this number, but I want to replace this number, this second number. By what number should we replace this so that this number is divisible by 11? So if you keep on counting again, you will see that the total sum of the odd digits, that means these digits, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 6 is 19. So it is going to be 19 minus. Now how much you need? You need 19 at least. You need either 19 or you just need how much? 19 minus, you can say 19 minus 6. No, 19 minus 8 is 11. So either it should form 8, either this should form 8. That means 5 plus 3 is how much? 5 plus 3 is 8. And if you do 19 minus 8, it is going to be 11. So again I will say that you can replace this number again by 0. See, if you replace this number again by 0, I just took random numbers and see how it is coming. So if this number is 0, that means 19 minus 8 is 11. Again it is divisible by 11. Let us check it out once again. So 2573406 divided by 11. If I do, and if you get a number which is not a decimal number, then we will say it is exactly divisible, and you will find it is exactly divisible. So the answer is 2333946. See, but if I change this number from this, if I change the number 2573456, you see this won't be divisible by 11 because the decimal is coming. You can see decimal 545454, it keeps on coming like this. So that means this number, what should we replace this number? Let us take, in the same example, let us take some more changements. So now this time I am going to make this 5 again with the same number. Now my question is, by what number should we replace this number so that it is divisible by 11? The third number. So 2573. So if we add these numbers, 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus something, 9 plus 6 is 15. So this is coming out to be 15. Now let us add some other number. So 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. 8 plus 5 is how much? 13. You see, I am adding these numbers. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, and 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. And if you do 15 minus 3, how much is this? 2. But we need the subtraction as the multiple of 11. So multiple of 11 means how much we need more? We need 9. So this number should be replaced by 9. Okay, I am just changing with a different color. Let me change it with a different color. so that it is easier for you to understand. So this could be 9 now. Now you see 4, 5, 6 were not divisible, but now this number is going to be divisible. So 2, 5, 7, 3, 9, 5, 6 divided by 11, and you will again see the number is not going to be in any decimal. So 233,996, it is exactly divisible. So this is how you should approach towards the question. You have to find the difference between the sum of the alternate digits and then check whether it is divisible by 11 or not. If it is divisible, then we will say yes, the number is divisible, or else it is not. Please remember, 0 is a multiple of every number. Every number can divide 0. So if the difference comes as 0 also, so 0 is anyways divided by 11, so the answer is 0. So it works for 0 as well. Don't get confused with that number. Okay, so I am going to end this class right now. In the next class, I will teach you about the prime numbers and the composite numbers and the power of prime numbers, how to remember them, how to learn them. Till then, please take care of yourself. Have a good day. Goodbye. Take care. Bye.